Hi there, I'm Quentin, Travel Maps founder, and I will create a poster very quickly so that you can see how easy it is. Okay, so first I'm gonna go with a travel poster and create a new route from scratch. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna input the steps of a trip I'm planning in Asia. So let's start with Bangkok. It has to be in the right order. So Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Luang Prabang, Hanoi, Da Nang, Ho Chi Minh, Phnom Penh, Siem Reap. And that's it. So I'm gonna connect the routes by car and I'm gonna continue with this itinerary. So this is the steps to validate the itinerary, which is great, but let's say I've forgot Hoi An. I'm just gonna add Hoi An. It will be added at the end, so I've got to put it right after Da Nang and recompute the routes. So this is not about styling, this is just about validating, and I validate this itinerary. Then I will choose one of the colors. So there are 6 different colors, and I think I'm gonna go with the blue one. I'm gonna zoom out to have the right bounds. I'm gonna say Asia 2026, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. This is the subtitle. Okay, then concerning the markers, I'm gonna just edit a few things. Like Luang Prabang is a bit close to Chiang Rai, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna move it on the right. I'm gonna also show Da Nang that has been hidden because it was too close to Hoi An. So I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show the text, and I'm gonna make Hoi An just a circle instead of a pin. And I'm gonna also edit the label style to this one, which I prefer. And I'm gonna edit the routes to have some straight lines. Okay, I think that's it. The trip is ready and I can save and buy. That's it. If this video was a bit too fast for you, then there is another one which is a bit longer, like more than 10 minutes, where I'm explaining all the possibilities and all different options to customize the poster. It's right here in the description.